Welcome to Forno Appliance technical support video. In this video, we will demonstrate how to change the fan blower for range hood model 531244. You will be needing a star screwdriver, a wire cutter, and a plier for this process. Disconnect power supply. Open panels. Remove the filters. Remove 4 screws holding the display panel. Slide out the switch and turn it over. Remove the 4 screws from electronic box cover located between the 2 motors. Cut the tie rods. Follow the wires going to the connector and disconnect them. Disconnect the yellow and blue wire. Unscrew and remove wires holding the fan blower. Remove the fan blower. Unscrew and remove ground wires. Once ready to reinstall your new fan blower, place back the ground wires. Place back the yellow and blue wires in the black box. Reconnect the fan wires. Put back the black box cover. Place back and screw in your new fan blower. This completes the installation of your new fan blower.